Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique and awesome. The man behind the camera, man.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to this first stop out here in Nashville, Tennessee. This is where I keep telling myself I'm gonna buy a house at, man, in the next 2 years. Nashville's coming up, but I give myself 2 years. I'll be somewhere out here. But regardless of the fact, I'm out here finna do this Ford F-150. Finna do the interior first. It's not really that bad, but it's dirty because they haven't been really taken care of. If you can look at the seats definitely are dirty. So if you look, definitely I get these seats a good cleaning. Clean the steering wheel. If you look all into there, the cracks and crevices all in between there, it's dirty. Get into these vents, things like that. You know, just basically just wiping everywhere. Get inside these doors. You know, it's one thing about these Fords, you gotta really get up in there and clean there. You know, cleaning the doors. All these pockets, you can see it's 4 pockets right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get in the pockets. You got a pocket over here you need to clean. Pocket right here. Cup holders, little place to keep pens. Another cup holder back here. Another pocket over here. Pockets on the door. Then you got a few pockets back here in the back. See what I see? 1, 2, 3. Get up in this little crack and crevices up in here that's under the seat. Then, you know, gotta let the seat down. Make sure you clean the seat thoroughly. If you look at the seat, you can really see the seat is pretty dirty. So we're gonna make sure we clean that. Get that clean pretty good. Take out the mats, stuff like that. You know, so we're gonna go in here and do what we do best. You already know we take so much pride over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. I'm believing he want me to clean this back here because he left this down. Most people don't leave this down, so I'll get back there and clean it. But I got the mats out, things like that. Excuse me, I ate a lot of fruit, so it got me burping. We're gonna go ahead and clean these door jams. Get in here, clean these door jams, things like this, man. We're gonna get it cracking. We already do what we do, so you do what you gotta do, man. So we out here doing the greatness. And today I got on my YouTube TY38 shirt. I just feel like putting on a business shirt. I want to let people know, man, we out here. We done reached 500 subscribers. And on that note, man, we got 500 more to go, man. We're gonna keep dropping this content for y'all, man. On that note, like always, peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We finally got this Ford F-150 completely done, in and out. It took us a little bit longer than what I expected, man. It literally took us 2 hours to get the car completely done. Literally 2 hours and a half because it's 12 o'clock. But if you see it, man, we got the car looking great. Remember, Lily had debris everywhere in here. The doors was dirty. Remember I showed you had debris all in there. The seats were dirty, things like that. But we got the whole car completely done. Cup holders, monitors, windows, all that, man. So we about to go ahead and pull up the next car, and then we got another place to go after this. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this cracking, man. Y'all already know I take pride in whatever I do, man. So on that note, we're gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done finished this second car of the day. We actually was the people that we did the F-150. This is his wife car, but we actually got the whole car knocked out in and out. We just need to shine the tire and do the back. I forgot to do that back, but other than that, man, the rest of the car came out well. We made sure we wiped everything down properly, made sure we cleaned the doors, shampooed the carpets, cleaned the exterior of the car. But we're gonna go ahead and continue the job. We still got a few more to do, man. On that note, I'm gonna continue to do what I do. So do what you gotta do, man. Be great, be diligent, and on that note, like always, man, peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, man. We done finished this van. We done finished this Dodge Caravan for other videos up there. We just did a slight exterior, interior cleaning, nothing too major. But we got the car looking good. It was a little dirty in here, but it's nothing she really like want detail. She just wanted to get the stuff looking up in the car, so that's what we did. Vacuum the seats, wipe the stuff down, clean the exterior of the car, clean the exterior of the car, things like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and park it. Y'all already know, man. We got 2 more to do here, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We about to do this Toyota right now. We're gonna work on the exterior, knock that exterior out, get it nice and clean. Nice and shiny, nice and clean. You see it's got a lot of dirt. It's really dirty, got that gray coat to it, but once we're done, definitely gonna get back to shine. And then after that, we definitely gonna work on the interior. Still got the equipment out. This is the last one here. They're supposed to have 3 for me here, but I think they took the other vehicle. But if you see right here, it ain't really that bad in the interior. So we're gonna get it hit with that zip, zip, zap, bam. You already know, man. But we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take a pride whatever you're doing today, man. And like also, man, We got it. It's coming. It's gonna continue to keep coming. And y'all already know how it go, man. So on that rip, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute, baby. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this last car today, man. We about to go ahead and park it. It's a Toyota Sienna. We didn't do the wheels because she need to go. And I'm done, man. We got the whole interior of the car done, exterior of the car done. So on that note, like always, too bad we cutting it short. One love, love thyself, and we always need a little bit of peace.
Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique and awesome. The man behind the camera, man.